Elo siemandero, musiałem szczerze wierzę na rejon, a tutaj już następny odcinek The Walking Deada. W ostatnim odcinku uderzyliśmy w jakiegoś kurwa murzyna przemienionego w zombiaka i wyszliśmy wszyscy na pole, więc zobaczmy co będzie dalej. Nie, nie będę się nic odzywał.
You okay over there?
Yeah. Son of a bitch.
Ben, you have no other options here.
Leave him alone.
I think you both are protesting a bit much. Don't you think so, Kenny?
I don't know. Fuck. Just stop, would you?
Well, your vote counts for you and Katja.
We don't need all these votes. What do I have to do for you to trust me? I'll do anything. I'll do watches for months.
Huh, the hell you will.
I'll get more food, more medicine, anything. Just
Stop panicking. Seriously, Ben. You need to stop and just take a breath.
Do we need any more evidence than this?
evidence or not, this isn't any way to treat one of us.
I've heard enough out of you, okay, Doug? Kenny, what's it gonna be?
Just give me a damn minute.
Ben, you have until Kenny kills that walker to tell me it was you.
No!
Ben!
Lily!
This is about trust, and I've never trusted you.
Tell her. Just do it, Ben.
Lee! Tell her what? She'll kick me out of the group.
We won't. We'll understand.
Tell me.
Ja pierdolę, już nie wiem, kurwa, kompletnie.
Please, let's just get back in
That's
the
not
RV.
happening.
I can't handle this.
There! I got it. Now, what the fuck's the problem?
No!
O, żeż kurwa!
Drop it.
Ty jesteś pojebana.
Kenny, what's happening?
Keep duck away from the windows. Jesus Christ! Get in! We're leaving this crazy bitch.
I didn't mean to. It wasn't supposed to be him.
What are we gonna do with her?
Just get in. We'll figure out what to do with you.
It's a bad idea, Lee. She's a murderer for shit's sake.
I'm a murderer? You've had Lee with you this whole time.
What are you talking about?
He didn't tell you? He killed someone before all of this. He was a convicted murderer.
Is that
O
true?
ty suko.
Yes.
Fucking hell. Were you ever gonna get around to telling me that? You got a little girl with you. To hell with it.
I don't have anything
I don't want to hear
left.
it. From either of you. Just get in.
Ty jebana suko. Związaliśmy jej ręce? No.
A word, please?
No dobra, idę kurwa, czekaj.
We need to speak to you up here.
No idę, czekaj. No kurwa. Idę.
What's up?
Co się stało?
Is Duck feeling alright?
Co się stało? O kurwa.
Fuck.
Ugryziony.
What's the plan? We've never had a bite victim in the group before.
I'm going to keep an eye on him and see what I can do from a medical perspective.
We keep the same plan unless something changes. East.
Guys,
What else is there to do? We thought you should know.
Not that you've ever afforded us that type of luxury.
Anyway, if you could tell Clementine, we would appreciate it.
No dobra. Powiem jej kurwa, ale ja pierdolę. Nie podoba mi się to kurwa. Fuj mi się to nie podoba, tą sukę musimy tu wieść kurwa. Nie w dupę, nie w pietrucha.
Duck is bitten.
Huh?
He got bit by a walker trying to escape the motel.
I don't feel good. What about Doug?
Gone, but won't come back.
Because he was shot in the head.
That's right. It's horrible.
Yeah, it is.
No to kurwa. No kurwa dużo mówić. Cieszę się, że jesteś. Kurwa, że tak Clementine mamy kurwa w naszej drużynie, patrzcie.
My treehouse that day and thought about dropping a hammer on your head.
What? Why?
In case you were up to no good. Before you, there was this other guy. He was yelling and trying to get into my house. He wanted to take the TV and tried to break the glass door with a rock. Then some walkers came and scared him away.
Door was open.
He was dumb.
Woda? Kurwa, no, dach się przemieni to do jaja. Boże, co to kurwa? What the fuck? What?
We got something up ahead.
O kurwa, ale się przestraszyłem. Ja pierdolę, to sen. O chuj.
Damn it. Road's blocked.
Co tam mamy? To jest...
We gotta deal with this.
To musi być ten Ben, kurwa. On to chuj zajebany, wszystko za tym stoi, kurwa. To my sukę jeszcze będziemy. Kurwa, jakiś pociąg.
Is there any way to get around it?
Doesn't look like it. On foot, maybe.
Jaki on jest kurwa, patrzcie jaki on jest kurwa taki nachylony kurwa.
This
Krzywy.
seems like a safe area. All this brush will stop anything from creeping up on us.
A, tutaj las
I'd
jest.
like everyone out of the RV except her. I don't want folks trapped in there with her.
Jeszcze tą mamy tutaj kurwa. Clementine, chodź do mnie. Boże, da, kurwa. Trzymaj się stary.
Why don't you and I go look around?
Yeah, everyone else relax. There. Stay close to Kenny and Kat, okay?
Lee, if you come across anything to drink, if there's a dining car or something, I think Duck's a bit dehydrated.
Picie? Dobra.
Be careful in there.
What? You think there might be something dangerous inside an abandoned locomotive? Hadn't crossed my mind.
Dobra, sprawdźmy, która kurwa minuta. Młodej kurwa odcinek dopiero się zaczął. No co, idziemy, zobaczymy, pogadamy z tym kurwa Benem. To
Was
byłeś
it
ty?
you?
Not this again.
Was it?
No!
Okay then. What would you have done with Lily?
Właśnie, muszę się popytać.
Left her? I've never seen anybody kill someone.
Kurwa, ona chciała ciebie zajebać.
Yeah, but not like that.
You, happy you stayed with us all this time?
Yeah,
Really?
it's with you guys or dead. I would have died out there in the woods, just like my classmates.
Masz kurwa szczęście, że cię wzięliśmy.
Yeah, of course.
Dobra, no to drzwi. Wbijamy kurwa.
Boxcar.
Zobaczymy co tam kurwa jest. I materac.
Whoa.
Somebody's been living in here.
Yeah, man. Shit. Think they're gone?
I hope so. But this looks recently used. Be on the lookout and have your guard up.
Woda. O widzisz, weźmiemy wodę.
I'll take this to Kanja for Duck.
Woda. Nic tutaj takiego jeszcze nie ma. Mapa. Weźmiemy mapę.
A map of where the train goes. I think these tracks might lead to the coast. Route 27, Savannah. That's where
No.
Kenny's got us headed.
Super, coś tu jeszcze? Jest. Nie ma nic. Mamy mapę, wodę. Już drzwi. Drzwi, no dobra, chodźmy tymi drzwiami, zobaczymy co tam jest. Przechodzimy do tego wagonu, że co jakieś wejście nie ma. Komora silnika.
Might be something inside.
Otwórz. Włącznik.
Nothing.
Nie dygło nic, co to? Nic innego nie ma, zobaczymy co jest obok w kabinie.
Might be something inside.
A tutaj mamy jakieś kurwa klucze. Klucz torowy. Klucz szczękowy, klucz francuski. Francuski sobie weźmiemy, kurwa. Możemy? Super. Tym przypierdolimy to nie raz, kurwa. Coś jeszcze? Nie ma. Następne drzwi. Tutaj coś może? Nie ma nic. I ostatnie drzwi. Gdzie to musi być kurwa silnik? Wielki, duży kurwa, ta masakra. I nie ma nic. Drzwi.
Shit.
O kurwa.
We got one. Walker. Sitting in the chair. We got him.
Ale on nie wiadomo czy on kurwa żyje. Kluczem francuskim przyjechał, tak właśnie. Nie ma co bić go tem. Strzelać w niego. Ale on kurwa nie żyje.
Suppose we ought to look him over.
Yeah.
Jaki zielony kurwa. Inżynier. Masz coś w środku? Pół głowy nie masz, kurwa. Kto ci to zrobił? Jakiś strzały, jakby z pistoletu, kurwa.
I don't think this guy came back.
Bo w głowę dostał.
That light is blinking.
Push it.
Push it?
Why not?
Are you fucking serious?
Here, look. It's just the brakes.
Okay, I'll give you that one.
This fucker works?
Seems like it.
Chyba tak, no kurwa siadaj.
How the hell do we get it moving?
I don't know. That's Mr. Amtrak over here.
No clue.
We found this in the boxcar back there.
Whoa, is this what it looks like?
Mapa, tak?
So,
This hoss will take us right to Savannah. 100 tons of steel. Put 1,000 walkers between us and the ocean, and we don't have to give a shit.
Super.
Can't believe it.
just have to
Musimy jakoś uruchomić pociąg.
stop it.
I'm sure we can figure it out. How tough could it be?
Doug would have known, but we'll figure it out.
That's the spirit.
Właśnie, Duch by kurwa
And
wiedział.
if you could keep an eye on the girls and Duck, I'd appreciate it. And we'll make sense of these controls.
Idź kurwa, pilnuj ich.
Man, this could be exactly what we need.
Super, a czekaj, jeszcze zaraz się zapytam. Coś? Zobaczmy kurwa, która minuta. 11 to jeszcze mamy. Prawie 10.
Kim,
What's up?
you want to talk about Duck? I'm really sorry, Kitty. Nobody deserves this.
There's nothing to talk about. You heard Cat. He could be fine.
We probably shouldn't ignore it.
Nobody's ignoring nothing. I'm not worried. You shouldn't be either.
Hope
No
it's
dobra.
alright I chose to keep Lily with us. Abandoning someone on the side of the road is the same as murder.
Turning over a new leaf, huh?
I'm just doing what I can.
It's fine for now, but we have to deal with it eventually.
God, we need some help getting this train going.
People take notes, right, when working on stuff like this? We're smart guys. We can figure it out.
I'll get back to it.
Me too.
No dobra. Dobra, my tu wrócimy kurwa, tylko jak stąd wyjść? Musimy iść dać tą wodę Duckowi. O kurwa! Ażem się przestraszył, ja pierdolę. Pasem jest zamknięty, a tam jest... Crackersy. Mogę ci jakimś kluczem, kurwa? Otwórz drzwi.
This door's gonna hurt.
Aha, dobra, rozumiem cię.
Okay. You aren't gonna like this.
Teraz drzwi. Super. Jeszcze raz. Jeszcze. Widzisz, trzeba? O, widzisz, kurwa? A teraz sobie weźmiemy crackersy. Przesory cię bardzo. Super. To był jednak dobry pomysł, kurwa. Mamy crackersy. Mamy picie. Tu zderzak. Idziemy do nich. Gdzie oni kurwa są? Wszyscy chyba tam będą. Jest. Clementine. Tak. To nie na początku takowej dać tak. Wodę. Podejdź, podejdź, podejdź.
Here, found some water.
Oh, thank you. Perfect. He's allergic to bees.
Is that right?
It's all I can keep thinking about.
Ej, tak, kurwa, super
Somehow that matters.
detektywie.
Doesn't.
I know. Well, I don't, but you're probably right.
Karasów to by nie dam, ale... Dziękuję za pomoc. Clementine.
Hey, Clem.
What are you going to do with Lily?
Co zrobić? O właśnie, kurwa.
I don't know.
Nie mam pojęcia.
I suppose. I don't know what we can do.
Dobra, mam kurwa na pożarcie. Musimy iść zobaczyć, kurwa, co on tam w ogóle robi.
Yeah, it's horrible.
Nie przejmuj się, Clementine. Dobra, to dam ci te crackersy jeszcze, zobaczmy, czy zjesz.
I found these. If Duck's up for it.
Thank you. That's very thoughtful. He isn't fussy, you know.
What?
Most kids, they're really fussy about what they'll eat. Hate vegetables, that kind of thing.
Not Duck, huh?
No. The most trouble I ever have is making him use a fork. Thank you, Lee.
Sure.
Spoko. Proszę do dyspozycji.
I
Porozmawiaj
have
z
no
Benem.
idea how to get the engine started.
That guy in the cab probably knew.
Yeah, well, he isn't talking.
Well, he had to learn it somewhere.
Iście kurwa, debilu.
Hey, Sweet Pea, you okay out here?
Tak, właśnie.
I don't think Duck feels good.
Me neither.
Kurwa, musi się jakoś trzymać, no ja pierdolę. Idziemy do Kennego, bo widzę zapisu jeszcze nie mamy, to szybko oblecimy. Jeszcze jakieś wejście? Jest. Mamy pistolet, 2 naboje. Nas dwoje, nie? Dobra, wbijam do ciebie. Stary. I notatnik.
Shit, this is it. Instructions on starting the engine. Damn, pages are gone. I can kinda see the indentations from the writing.
Spróbuj rozszerzyć notatnik.
Shit, this is it. Instructions
Zadanie.
on starting the engine. Damn, pages are gone. I can see the indentations from the writing.
No dobra, ale jak tu kurwa czytać, a tam?
It's a bunch of papers.
Jakieś papiery kurwa, Kenny.
Hey kid.
What's up?
Nie ma nic na do powiedzenia. I jup. Konsola. Drzwi, a tutaj? Zgniłe jedzenie? Odczytać notatnik to trzeba kurwa jakoś... Ołówkiem, tym co Clementine tak robiła, tylko... Muszę się zapytać, czy ma taki ołówek, czy... Trzeba iść do niej. No jak tam? Dobra. Clementine, pożycz mi ołówek.
There's a notepad on the train. Do you have any pencils or anything in your pack?
No, I wish. Maybe in the RV. What do you need it for?
There used to be something written on the notepad that I need to know about.
Well, if you're not using it, I'd take it. I'm out of paper, and there's all sorts of new leaves around here.
Dobra. W kempingowcu powiadasz, od tutaj wejdziemy, obczajmy. I do kempingowca. Zobaczymy co on tam w ogóle odpierdala w środku. I... No wejdziemy za chwilę. Dobra. Kurwa, nie to dam. Dobra, wbijamy do środka. Konsola.
Hey, Ellie.
Teraz widzisz co kurwa zostało?
Like an animal while you guys decide what to do with me.
Spokojnie.
Like that.
Then what's it like?
Zabijemy cię kurwa. Albo zagwałcimy. Jeszcze się muszę zastanowić. Ołówek, o widzisz.
Sharpened too.
No to wejdziemy sobie ołówek. O kurwa.
Don't move. Don't you fucking move.
I'm not going to hurt you. Come with me. We could take the RV right now. He left the keys in it.
Łożesz kurwa.
Okay.
Okay. Seriously,
Yes.
get Clementine.
I'll get her and come right back.
Co ja kurwa dałem? Nie idzie kurwa z tobą nie jadę.
Holy shit! She's stealing the RV!
Lily!
Come back here, you crazy bitch! Fuck! Stop!
Co pojebana baba.
Let's focus on the train.
Kurwa.
Well, we're fucked if we don't figure out how this thing works. Can't spend the night out here. Duck is still sick, you know. We need to get to the city, the coast.
Kurwa, ja się dałem złą opcję, dałem dobrze, kurwa, że pojadę z nią. Kurwa, jakieś zapisywanie, nic. Mam ołówek, idziemy tam kurwa to rozpracować. O ja pierdolę. Gdzie to jest? Mamy ołówek, ratnik. Jak ona się kurwa dostała?
You can read it now?
Yeah, should be able to just follow the steps to get the engine on.
Sounds good.
6, 2 w dół. 6, tutaj jest 6. A to tam, no tam robić? 2 w dół i to było do góry. I do góry. A jak zobaczyć tą mapę? Jeden do góry, jeden do góry, dobra. Jeden do góry, jeden w dół. Jeden do góry. Super. O, widzisz, kurwa?
Whatever you did lit the dash up.
So far, so good.
Jest super. Trójka, kurwa. Piątka. Tak i tak. Gdzie jest kurwa piątka? 5. Tak i tak, nice, działa.
Talking.
Super. 9. Obkręć w lewo. I w prawo? Nie ma tej 9. Ale będzie. W lewo i w prawo. Ona była tam kurwa na tym silniku, bodajże. Idź, chodźmy. Tutaj jest. Było tak, w lewo i w prawo. Dobra, pochodzimy drabinką. Tutaj? Nie wiem właśnie. Dziewiątka. Było w lewo. I w prawo. Super! Chodzi kurwa!
Holy shit! We're golden!
Wow, super Kenny.
Yeah, we are. Golden. Man, feels good.
Let's fucking enjoy this. Mom, let's see if she'll move.
Super. Udało nam się uruchomić pociąg. Dobra, ale co będzie na następnym odcinku? Jak wyruszymy? Wszystko dowiecie się na następnym odcinku, więc drogi widzu, zostaw łapkę w górę. Elo.